Here's a problem that designers and architects seem to run into every once in a while, and I'm sure it has more to do with experience than anything else, and that would be problems with water. Water draining onto something and of course staining it or ruining it. So again, that's where we get a lot of termite damage from and dry rot. But what we have here is water coming off of a roof. Now, if the roof would have been sloped in another direction or a different roofing material used, we might not have had this problem. So I just wanted to point that out. The purpose of this video is to point out architectural design flaws that create problems later on. Next on the list is another item that wasn't thought out as well as it should have been, and this is a drain coming out of a planter. There might not be a lot of water coming out of this planter, but if under certain circumstances, it could be enough to create erosion problems. So make sure that you plan on installing any drains in a area where it isn't going to create an erosion problem for the foundation in the future. Last on our list is a brick planter. You can see that it is the drainage from the water or the moisture, whatever is occurring regularly, is leaving calcium deposits, or at least this looks like calcium deposits, or other type of water residue on the bricks, and of course that isn't a good thing. Here's another view of the planter. You can see this isn't something that's getting hit by a lot of water, but it's obviously enough water to stain the bricks. So again, drain location is a priority when you are designing a building. Make sure that it isn't going to affect any building materials, siding, brick, concrete, anything. And another thing you need to remember is to make sure that your water is draining safely or into a safe area where it isn't going to create any erosion problems for the building foundation.